Someone please listen. You have entered December too quietly. You have entered December too wounded. You have entered December too tired. You have entered December too discouraged. But in the realm of the spirit, I hear a sound like the sound Elijah heard in 1 Kings 18. I hear the sound of abundance. I hear the sound of good news. I hear the sound of divine answers. I hear the sound of new beginnings. I hear the sound of restoration. I hear the sound of congratulations. December shall not bury your expectations. December shall not suffocate your joy. December shall not end you. December shall not prolong your battles. December shall not hand you over to disaster. According to Psalm 91, the Lord preserves your going out and your coming in. According to Isaiah 54, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. According to Romans 8, all things are working together for your good. I decree and declare, December, you will not end in tears for my family. December, you will not end in regret for my house. December, you will not end in tragedy for my siblings. December, you will not end in reproach for my parents. December, you will not end with shame. December, you will not end with burial. December, you will not end with bad news. I speak by the authority of Daniel 2 that the God who changes times and seasons is shifting something right now. December, hear me, my family has waited. My family